Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this beautiful potato gnocchi with my homemade tomato sauce. Now I didn't have Desiree potatoes, I have these. I've steamed them. Traditionally they are put in the oven so that they're nice and dry, they come out nice and fluffy. So long as they're nice and tender, when you run the knife through, you're good to go. Remove them from the steamer. Now it's time to peel the skins off. And the best way to do this is get yourself a cloth so you don't burn yourself. You can hold the potato quite easily, and with a paring knife you're going to remove the skins. Place a tea towel over the top and set aside. Onto a work surface you want 280 grams of 00 flour, a good pinch of sea salt, and you want to sieve this from a height so you get lots of air into the flour, making the gnocchi nice and light. Now I'm going to make a small well in the center, and I'm going to crack 2 eggs into this mixture. And using a small potato ricer, I'm going to, from a height, push all the potatoes through the ricer on top of the flour and egg mixture, and then we're going to incorporate everything together. Adding 55 grams or 2 ounces of soft butter that's been cut into cubes, and using a fork we're going to gently incorporate all the ingredients together until we get that beautiful smooth dough. I'm now going to change to a pastry scraper. This is going to make my life a lot easier to mix everything through together. And as you can see, we've got this consistency now. Just going to gently knead everything, getting the mixture ready so we can roll it out into our beautiful potato gnocchi shapes. Then lightly flour the surface, cut into half, and each half cut into 5 pieces. Onto a floured surface, roll each piece into a long cylinder shape, and then so long as you cut them all the same size, that will be your choice. I'm going to cut it in half again. They're a little bit easier to roll when they're not so long. Once I've got them there, I'll just taper the edges so they're nice and straight, and then I'll begin to cut them probably about 1 inch apart. I've got a pan of water on to boil with some salt, about 1 tablespoon. Now I'm going to cook these in batches so they don't stick together. Now this takes only a couple of minutes. Once the gnocchi rises to the top, it is screaming to you to take me out and put me into that lovely tomato sauce. Now before we add the sauce, I've got some olive oil in a pan. I'm tossing the gnocchi in. It's nice and hot. Just going to toast it slightly. I have sprinkled some lemon thyme over the gnocchi. I think it's going to give that nice extra level of taste and freshness to the dish. And now we are going to add our tomato sauce over the top. And I do have a recipe for this on this channel, so go check that out. All you need to do now is finish off with some grated Parmesan cheese. I've got some lovely fresh basil over the top, and this dish is ready to go. Now this recipe is not authentic Italian cuisine, it's my version of how I make it at home, and I can tell you what, it is far better than any shop bought gnocchi that you can buy in the supermarket, guaranteed. And you can make it right in your own home. And the recipe is so easy. You can serve it with some homemade focaccia bread, which is also a recipe on my site. Go check that out. Guys, this recipe is so easy to make, and there are no preservatives or additives or any nasties in there. You know exactly what you're eating. You know why? Because you've made it from natural ingredients. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and I will see you next time when we cook together right here on the Chef Mooney channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week.